Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. We're going to talk about the marginal risks of your weather and parts of your Memorial Day forecast too. So let's get started. Alright everyone, so we got our severe weather risk for today. We can see we got a marginal risk in we can see in Nebraska, Iowa, Kansas, Texas, and Oklahoma, Georgia, Alabama. We can see in Florida too, and a little of South Carolina too. We got a marginal risk for today. You can see also too, guys. So let's look at our tornado risk for today. It's gonna just take me 1 second. Alright, so there's a tornado risk for today. We got 2% tornado risk in South Dakota, Iowa, Minnesota, Nebraska. We can see in Kansas for today also. Alright, next is our wind risk for today. So it's just gonna take me about a second to pull it up. Just hold on, guys. Alright, there's our wind risk for today. We got for May 24th. We got a 5% wind risk for South Dakota, Iowa. We can see Nebraska. After this, we'll be taking a look at some of our radar projections on this too. In Oklahoma, in Texas, then we got a 5% wind risk over here in Florida. You can see also Georgia and Alabama and a little South Carolina too. You can see also too, guys. Sorry about that. That date is inaccurate. Don't listen to that. I forgot to change the date. I'm so sorry about that. It's actually the 24th. So I will be after this video changing it. Alright, hold on. Alright, we got our hail risk for today, everyone. So we can see for 524, we got a 5% hail risk in Nebraska, South Dakota. We can see also too on here, guys, in Iowa and Minnesota. We can see also. So let's move on to our radar projections for today. Alright, starting off over in Alabama and Georgia at 5 p.m. today, we can see we got looks like some storms in Georgia, some storms in Alabama. We can see around 5 p.m. some scattered rain showers in Kentucky. We can see maybe rain in Ohio today. We can see also some rain in Michigan, some scattered storms in Georgia. We can see also on here too, guys, some scattered rain in Louisiana. We can see also for Sunday at 5 p.m. So for our central region, we can maybe have some storms on fire up. We can see in parts of Kansas. We can see maybe in Oklahoma. See also. Then around 6 p.m. we can see everyone. We got first storm starting to form in Kansas. We can see also. We got looks like some rain in Texas too. We can see maybe rain in Minnesota. You can see also on here too, guys, rain in Arkansas, Louisiana. You can see also too, guys. Then over here around 6 p.m. we can see we got storms in Georgia. We can see also on here maybe potential some little storms in Florida. We can see also some rain in Kentucky and Tennessee and West Virginia. We can see. And we can see 7 p.m. we can see we still got some storms, but it's a moderate risk today. So we can see 7 p.m. we can have some storms in Georgia. We can see some rain in West Virginia and Virginia. We can see also on here too, guys. We get some rain in Ohio, PA, New York. Some rain in Indiana. We can see Mississippi. We can see Arkansas. We can see we have some rain in Louisiana too. On here too, guys. So yeah. Then we got 8 p.m. for Sunday. We can see we got storms in Georgia. Rain in Ohio. Rain in West Virginia. We can see Virginia. Rain in Kentucky, Tennessee, South Carolina, North Carolina. We can see also too on here, guys. Rain in Arkansas, Louisiana. We can see also on here too, guys. Maybe some rain up in Minnesota. We can see a scattered rain shower, scattered storm. You can maybe see up there. Yep, around 8 p.m. we can see we got some storms in Texas a little. Some storms in Kansas, Nebraska, scattered around South Dakota. You can see 9 p.m. comes along. We can see we got some storms in Texas. We can see also some storms in Kansas, Nebraska. We can see some rain, maybe a potential rain shower in Minnesota. We can see. Then we can have some storms in Georgia. We can see also, and maybe some rain in South Carolina, some rain in Ohio. We can see PA, New York, rain in Indiana, Michigan. We can see also on here rain in Louisiana too. You can see rain in Florida. You can see also on here too, guys. We can see there may be some rain up in the New England states. Alright, 10 p.m. we can see we still have some storms in Georgia, South Carolina, maybe some rain in Indiana, Ohio. We can see also too on here, guys. We can see, so got some rain in Iowa, Minnesota. We can see also. Then maybe potential some storms over here in Texas and Oklahoma. You can see also too, guys, in Kansas we can see maybe some rain in Nebraska. We can have Minnesota, We can see also Iowa, Indiana. We can see also some rain in Wyoming. We can see also too on here, guys. Maybe 10:11 p.m. We can see 10:11 p.m. over here in Texas and Oklahoma. We can see we got some rain showers in Kansas too. And maybe at around 11, we can see our storms start going down a lot in South Carolina, Georgia. We can see some rain in Pennsylvania, Ohio, West Virginia. We can see Virginia too, Tennessee, Louisiana, Arkansas. We can see also two guys on here. So yeah, you can see that rain in Kentucky. We can see also. Then by midnight, we can still have some scattered rain showers in South Carolina, Tennessee. We can see in PA too. Check it over our central region. And by midnight, yeah, we can see we mostly got scattered rain showers everywhere in Texas, some parts of Texas, some parts of Minnesota, and maybe Nebraska and Wyoming too. So let's check a brief preview of your Memorial Day forecast for today too. All right, hold on. Let me get up some things. All right, everyone. So this is just a Memorial Day forecast preview. I'll be coming up with official Memorial Day forecast tomorrow, guys. So on Memorial Day. So this is what Monday at 7 a.m. could look like. We have 60s in Nebraska, 60s in Kansas. Not bad. You can see pretty nice temperatures in the morning. We can see 60s in Iowa. We can see maybe 50s in Indiana, some 40s in Michigan. We can see 50s in North Dakota, 50s in South Dakota, 50s in Minnesota, 60s in Arkansas, 70s in Louisiana. We can see 60s in Colorado, 60s in Kentucky, 60s in Tennessee. We can see also on here too, guys. And we can see around 9-10 in the morning. We get into the 70s in Kansas, 70s in Missouri, 70s in Illinois. Let's check our East region. So maybe from 40s in Maine, 70s in South Carolina. We can see also 70s in Louisiana, 80s in Florida. We can see also on here all the way down there. So yeah, 60s in Michigan, 60s in Ohio. Then we move back over here. We still have some 70s. We can see. Then we can see around noon. We get into the 80s in Kansas, 11 noon. We can see Texas. We get into the 80s, 70s in Illinois, 70s in Wisconsin, 70s in Michigan, 70s in Minnesota, 70s in Iowa. We can see also 70s in Colorado, 70s in Montana. We can see also on here too, 70s in Wyoming, and 70s in Tennessee. You can see also too. Then by 2 p.m. we could be getting into the 80s in Kansas. We can see 1-2 p.m. in the afternoon, 88, 89 potentially. Get some of those warmer temperatures. We can see Texas even near 90. We can see also. Then for over here, we can see in Ohio, we get into the 70s. PA, we're in the 70s. 70s in Illinois, 70s in Michigan, Maine, we're in the 50s. We can still see over there, up there. I'm going to show you guys right up there. So 70s in South Carolina, 70s in Kentucky, we can see also. Then we can see around 4 p.m. we're getting into the 90s in Kansas, 80s in Nebraska, almost 90 in part of Montana. We can see 80s in North Dakota, 80s in South Dakota. We can see also 70s in Arkansas, even some 90s in Texas. We can see also on here too, guys. So yeah, even in Colorado we have 80s. In Utah we can even have 80s too on here. In Arizona we're in the 90s too. See, in 70s in Michigan. Yeah, 76 in Michigan, we can see it. All right, warmest part of the day, 4, 5, 6 p.m. we can see around. So we got 90s in Kansas potentially in some spots. We can see also 89 in Texas, some 90s in Texas we can see. 80s in Montana we can see. 84 in North Dakota we can see. 82 in Minnesota, 79 in Wisconsin, 81 in Illinois, 78 in Indiana we can see. This is, yeah, I would say this is some not bad temperatures here we're seeing. Also, we're going to check something else. This is, let's see, 70s in Kentucky, 70s in Tennessee, 70s in Mississippi, 70s in Georgia, we can see. Also, after this, we're going to check something else out after, too. Then we can see our evening temperatures. We're seeing our 80s, we can see. 70s and 80s, we can see for most of the country, we can see. 87 in Montana we can see for 7 to 6 p.m. around there, 8 p.m. You can see 80s in Texas we still got, 70s in Ohio, 70s in Michigan we can see. Alright, around 11 p.m. we can see we still got some 70s in Kansas we can see. So over here, Got some 50s and 50s in Maine, 50s in PA, 50s in Ohio, 70s in Georgia. We can see in 70s in Florida. We can see also. So one thing we're gonna check is real quick for you guys. We're gonna see how above average we're gonna be or below average. We're gonna see. Pretty obvious what it's gonna be. So, all right. So guys, we can see. No, it's better, guys. For you guys, this is what our temperatures could be for some of the hours. We can see, like Montana, we can see. Let's do 5 p.m. because it's gonna be like the warmest part of the day. So, all right, guys. So this is how above average you're gonna be for Memorial Day. You can see parts of Montana will be 20 degrees above average. Kansas, we're about 10 degrees above average. In Minnesota, about 14 degrees above average. Wisconsin, about 10 degrees above average. We can see also on here. Colorado, about 11 degrees above average. We can see also. Utah, we're about 16 degrees above average. Texas, we're just around normal, maybe a couple degrees below average. We can see Louisiana, about 11 to 10 degrees below average. We can see in some spots in Georgia. Also, around in Oklahoma, we're just around average, maybe like 0 to 3 degrees above average. We can see also. So let's move on to our east region real quick. So you can see we got maybe we're just around average in Ohio. We can see maybe around like a 1 degree above average, 0 degrees above 0 degrees. We're just around average there. We can see, but in Ohio, PA, we're just a couple degrees above average and around average. New York, same thing. We're a few degrees above average in some spots and around average. We can see in the New England states, pretty much the same thing too. Maine, we could be 6 to 8 degrees below normal in some spots. Georgia, we could have 8 degrees, 10 degrees below normal in Louisiana too. Also, we can see it also, guys. So yeah, pretty much done with that. So also, I gotta show you guys something else real quick. Okay, guys. So this is. Oh, I hopefully it stays like this. Hopefully we don't get a severe rougher risk for tomorrow. So this is like the first day in a long time. Let's hope this doesn't change. This is really good because this is our first day in a long time we haven't had a severe river risk. This is just a typical thunderstorm risk, guys, for the whole country. We can see, like this is. I hope it stays like this, guys. This is gonna be our first day, especially Memorial Day. This is perfect. It's only a typical thunderstorm risk. So yeah, guys. So I hope you learned something new in this video. Thank you for watching today, guys. I'll be getting more into detail about the Memorial Day forecast tomorrow, guys, I'll be putting out. So thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the notification bell. Never miss a video like this, guys. Okay, guys. I see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.